Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Thank you for joining me in my little corner of the internet where I talk all things planners, fountain pens, and fountain pen inks. And today we are decorating my passport planner for the week of, what week is this? October 6th through 11th. Yeah, I had to just double check the dates here. So I'm just going to take my passport planner, just wiping that stain off. This is a cover from Bujo Planner, and I'm going to be taking out my notebook here along with my Pilot Vanishing Point, and I will be decorating for this week. I've already drawn the lines in just to make things a little easier but also a little faster in this video, and I'm going to be decorating with just a freebie. Actually, this is a freebie that I received from the Giving Girl last year, and I'm trying to really work my way through my stash, even all the freebies, all of the smaller stickers that I've received. I'm not buying a lot of new stickers right now, if any, and I just want to use what I have in my stash, even if it is from last year. All right, so let's get started. Now, I'm looking around here and I thought, where are my tweezers? Because these stickers are on this premium paper, which I really like the way that this looks. So I'm going to place the drink apple cider. Actually, I think I'm going to place the drink apple cider here. Although I don't like how the line goes right through it. And now the line is just stuck on there. So, oh well. Then let's add in the apple cider here. And I just have to remind myself how much room I actually need. So I just need, I think, like 8 and 11. So I need 3 and 11. So I need from about there. Okay. Then I can add some fruit and this. Oh, I actually really like how that's turning out. That's cute. And then some of the, oh my gosh, adorable. And then I'll add these around the spread as well. And I'm going to remove my little sticky note here, basically reminding me of what I need to do. Sorry, I just got a phone call from my husband. Now let's add these other stickers in here. That one is a bigger sticker, and I feel like this is probably an okay place to put that. And then this one, probably over here. And the cinnamon sticks. Yeah, I feel like the cinnamon sticks could probably go here. And then I have all of these tiny little details, which I really love. Let's add that here. And it's so satisfying being able to finish a sticker sheet, even if it's a small one like this. There's something really satisfying about that. Let's put that here, because it's almost low pressure to try and finish a sticker sheet this size. Just put it down. And then, okay. But also, like, they're lovely and small, and I'm still getting a lot of decoration from a very small sheet. I don't need a lot to be able to decorate these pages now, which I like, because I don't need to purchase a ton of stickers. I've got a lot of stickers. So look, finished a sheet. Very satisfying. All right, so let's go ahead and zoom in. So now I'm going to go ahead and write in the days of the week first. So let's see, Monday is the 6th. And I am excited for next weekend because next weekend is Thanksgiving long weekend, although I did volunteer to work the holiday Monday just for a few hours. So then writing the days of the week. And yes, because we're in Canada, or I'm in Canada, we have our Thanksgiving in October, not in November. Canada has different holidays. Some holidays are different. Thanksgiving is definitely different, but our Labor Day is the same as in the US. Christmas obviously is the same. Okay, and then Tuesday. Sorry, the pen that I just used was my Radius Settimo Marmo Bianco, and that has Ferris wheel press, Lady Rose in gold. And then this is my Waterman Karen in sea green shimmer, and this has my Troublemaker Butterfly Dream. I really like that color. Beautiful. All right, so now I can go ahead and write in my work schedule and anything else that's going on this week. So let's do my work schedule in the Ferris wheel press rose in gold. And I'm placing the blotting paper in here because I do not want to smudge it. Now, this is an ink that unfortunately is no longer available, and I was hoarding the last sample that I have of it, but a friend of mine suggested using it in my A6 Hobonichi 5-year journal so that I would always have that. And I'm so glad that I did. Okay, then for other appointments and things, the 8th, we have the cleaner coming at 8:30. And then I have my manicure at 6:30. And then Saturday, there are a few appointments happening. There's actually 2 happening at 9 o'clock in the morning. So 9 o'clock, how do I want to run? 9 o'clock. And I need to confirm. All right, so Henry has an appointment. And then Robin also has an appointment as well. And then Henry has, oh no, Henry does not have swimming that day because it is a holiday. So no swimming for Henry. So those are the only appointments we have that day. And then Sunday, nothing as of yet. Okay. Then I'm going to go in here and do my to-do lists for each of the days here. Moving this little clip. This is from Cult Pens as part of the order that I had placed. So I will be meal planning and ordering groceries. Then Tuesday is our Tuesday evening. We put out garbage and recycling and all that, but also we need to do a tidy before the cleaner comes the next day. Then nothing Wednesday, Thursday. My husband has to pick up the groceries. And then I know there's going to be other things that come up during the week, but this is what it is for now. And then I cannot think of anything else that needs to be done for the weekend. Actually, here I think I'll need to pick up appetizer items because I'm bringing an appetizer to Thanksgiving dinner on the Monday. And then anything else that I need to add, I will add during the week. But now, oh, I forgot this area. So this area, I'm just counting from the week before. It's on this line, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will do I have enough days. So I'll start from the bottom here. Sunday, Saturday, Friday. Forgot. It's hard doing the days of the week backwards. Monday. Oh no. Shoot. Oh my gosh. Okay. And then this side will be my habits. Oh my gosh. I'm supposed to actually write what the habits were, which I'll do right above it. So my vitamins, my audiobook, my nighttime routine, and the no spend. And then here it's workouts. Can't believe I just did that. That's okay. Then I'm going to use my Zig Clean color dots. I know some people don't like how the dot creates like that little pooling of the marker right in the middle. I don't mind it too much. I just like that they do a circle. I'm trying to do more fall colors, but I know these don't match exactly, but that's okay. And then purple. But I love that it does add a bit of color to the spread. Oops, not exactly straight, but that's okay. All right, so that's my habit tracker I keep track of. I write the days of the week in the middle and then check off when I've done my habits, and then I write what workouts I've done during the week. Now it is time for the weather, and I'm a little scared of the weather this week because there's possibility of snow. We're getting to minus temperatures already today. The low was -2, which is crazy. Well, no, it's not crazy. It's Canada, Edmonton. Okay, so tomorrow it is cloudy. Let's move you. Cloudy. Tuesday, sun and cloud. Why do I keep track of the weather? Because living in Canada, our weather, we get 4 seasons throughout the year. And also at this time of year, the weather can change really, really drastically in a short amount of time. And I have to plan out when I'm going to put my winter tires on my car because Sunday it's supposed to snow. Oh my God. Sunday it's supposed to snow. 35%. It will be snowing in 35% of the area. Oh my goodness. But anyway, and here we have, let's make this straight. So tomorrow the high is 11 and the low is 3. I need to find my gloves for my walk with Lucy. Tuesday, the high is 20 and the low is 6. And then Wednesday, the high is 12 and the low is 5. Thursday, the high is 15 and the low is 1 degree, but at least it's sunny. And then Friday, the high is 18 and the low is 5. Saturday, the high is 11 and the low is, 3. And then Sunday, oh my gosh, the high is only 4 degrees Celsius and the low is -1. Oh, I'm really hoping that the snow doesn't stick. Okay. All right. So that is it for my passport planner this week. Really cute. Now that I'm looking at the colors of these, I'm kind of like, it's okay. I should have chosen maybe a green rather than the purple or the yellow, but that's okay. All right. And that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, this is not a passport planner. This is a Hobonichi A6 notebook that I cut down into passport size. And this is what I'm probably going to be using for the rest of the year until I start something new in January. All right. Thank you all so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.